Hello friends, this is Basawa Technologies Limited, an AIDC barcode equipment and software service provider. We have a different types of barcoding equipment and barcoding solution. Equipments are barcode printer, barcode scanners, portable data terminals, receipt billing printers, consumables, and software solutions are Basawa Retail Smart, Basawa Com Inventory Smart, Basawa Asset Smart, Basawa Barcode Labeler, and many different types of customized software solution as the order given by our clients. Okay, I am giving you a demo of our one product which is Basawa Retail Smart. It is an automated point of sale and inventory control software. Its features are instant invoicing with cash, credit card, checks, etc. Flexible, handles many combinations of discount, customer order, gift voucher schemes, staff commission report, multi-user environment, stock status at any point of time, various stock filters reports, and statutory reports like GST and standard statutory reports, and it is a full featured accounting with various MIS reports. To start this software, you have to click uh, this icon, Basawa Retail Smart. Click on this icon. As soon as I click, this message appears. It is in demo version. Okay. And you have to enter here a valid username and password. As soon as you press the login button, now your Basawa Retail Smart systems appear on your screen. There are various menus, masters, transaction reports, tools, labeler, windows, about help, exit. Before starting the software, you have to go to the tools and the setup. In setup, you have to enter your business information, your company name, address, city, state, PAN, GST number, etc. etc. Product definition. This is a standard processing definition. Parameter. There are 8 parameters. In parameter 1, I define product. In parameter 2, category, material, SEL number, manufacturing size, color, unit, etc. And next, the financial year. You have to select financial year in which you are entering your data. And the invoice paper setting, there are 3 types of invoice paper setting: 20 columns, 40 columns, 80 columns. In retail, generally 20 columns stationery used, but you can define 40, 80 column depending on your choice. Okay, so just this exit. In masters, there are customers, vendor, financial group, general accounts, product standard, product definition. These are the standard masters. To customers, just I'm showing the one customer icon. It's a new mart customer name and the address, state, PIN. And two address options are there. One is the customer address and another is a shipping address. You can define that. And also there are 4 types of rate features are there: MRP, rate 1, rate B, rate C. I will show you this demo later. In the same manner, you have to define your vendor, name of the vendor, results, address, state, PIN, and city. And the next, you have to define the product standards. There are 8 product standards: product, category, manufacturing, material, size, color, unit. Just click on this product. You have to define your product name. Here I'm showing the few examples. Here the shirts, trousers, pants, like this. Suppose your organization is a suppose you are a boutique, you are selling garments, then you have to define your products here. And the category, material, size. You have to define one by one all this. Okay. Okay. I define one product here. Go to the product master. I am not entering new. I am showing the old which is already entered in the system. Let's say this is shirt. Name of product is shirt. Category garments. Material fabric. manufacturer ABC, size 42, MRP 1000, and location, opening stock if there is any, and the GST tax rate. Okay. Save it and then after defining your master, you have to enter purchase. Just to enter the purchase, you click on this purchase button. I am showing you one purchase which is already entered. Just click on this voucher number. This purchase showing that we have purchased 10 pieces of shirts here at the rate of 1000 rupees, and then tax is not showing here, the different one. I am selecting another one where tax is there. Just in this example, I purchased 10 pieces of Coragen at the rate of 330. Total value is 3300, and the GST amount is showing 594 is GST amount, which I entered in the master. Okay. It is calculated as per the masters. But when I entered this purchase, then I can have a view of my inventory, in which I entered two items. One is shirt and the second is Coragen. In shirt, 7 items are there in the stock. Okay. Now next I want to sell this item. Just click on this sell button. Before selling this item, first of all you have to create barcodes. To create barcode, you have to click this labeler option. As soon as I click on this labeler button, this template of barcode which I made. Okay. So here I will print barcode. To print the barcode, just go to view. It will show. Press the select record. It is showing you have entered a 1, 2, 3, 6 items here. You can print any one. Suppose I print this. Anyone like to say test article. Okay, and then show print view is showing the one item. If I click view and then press print preview, it will show the first 2 items. Okay. Now this is how we can print barcode. I'm just closing this. Next, you want to sell this item. To sell any product, click on this sales button. This date is automatically coming, and by default cash sale is there. Suppose you want to give the sale to credit card, then to select the credit card, or you want to sell to another customer, just click on this. Now here I am just click on this cash sale. Okay. So I am selecting one item, which is the shirt. Okay. Click on this shirt. Okay, just selecting the shirt. This is showing that you are selling the shirts at the rate of 1000 rupees. Okay, just save this invoice and press enter. Now this is your view of your invoice. In which your invoice showing the name of the material, product, and the GST amount. And just press this print button. It will be print on your receipt printer. Okay. After you can view your inventory after making invoice. It is showing 7 pieces are in the shirts already there was there. Now it's a 6. One item is directly automatically as soon as the invoice is saved. Okay. In reports, there are various types of reports are available. Customer list. Then view customer list, vendor list, product list. and stock status report. There are various filters, department, article, category, size, color. You can view inventory on after selecting any of your filters. Suppose I want to have inventory of how many shirts are in my stock. So I click on this article shirt. Now only the shirt is showing here after clicking. So you can view inventory depending after selecting any one filter. Okay. So there are various other reports, stock production report, stock ledger. You can view your stock, any one of your stock. Suppose I want to show this shirt one. Just click store and show your stock. There is no item here. Suppose click on show. Okay. You can have. There are financial reports also there. Cash, bank, journal, purchase, invoice, accounts ledger, trial balance, profit and loss balance sheet, and summary. So it is a full featured accounting software. Thanks for watching Basava Barcoding Solution. If you have any kind of any query, please send your query at basava.usa@basava.com. Thank you very much.